All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice making 10 using our 10 frame. So take a crayon and fill in how many circles you have for your first number. So our first number is 2. So put 2 there and then choose a different color and count how many it takes to fill in the boxes. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? The answer is 8. So let's try it on the next one. The number that we have is 6. So let's put 6 boxes like this and count how many it takes to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our missing number is 4. What I would like you to do is push pause and try the last 3 problems on your own, and then push play and compare it with mine and see how you did. Go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, check it with mine and see how you did. This one was kind of tricky because we didn't put any red ones on, so 10 blue ones is what the missing addend is. On this one, we did 4 red, so that left 6 spaces for blue. This one is a doubles fact, so we have 5 red and 5 blue. Very good, boys and girls. Nice work. Turn it over and do your rocket math on the back. Nice job.